Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is Downy, actually Ultra Downy. Yeah, this is the April Fresh scent. Yeah, well, what Downy is a fabric conditioner. It makes your clothes really soft and smell really good. It's really good. Downy's been around for a really long time, and it really holds up. It really does. I mean, I've used it kind of religiously for at least 15 to 20 years, and I always get some at the store when I'm down there. I like my clothes to be very soft and smell April Fresh. And that's what this does. It really does. Is a compact version, which I love. It's very small. This is 306 mils in there. That's not very much, but you don't need very much. What I use this for, this size, is for when I'm traveling. Yeah, like, and I need some good Downy to freshen my clothes when I have to wash something out when I'm on vacation or something. Yeah, so I mean, I love these sizes. It's awesome. Now this size, being 306 mils, is good for up to 12 loads. Yeah, you don't need a whole lot of this to get your clothes smelling really good. You just need like maybe a capful, and put it in there, and it gets in there, and it will make your clothes smell great. This is, like I said, a very reliable brand I've used for a long time. My grandmother, who turns me on to a lot of things, showed me this when I was a kid, and when she was teaching me actually how to wash clothes, she would actually always say, and don't forget the Downy, okay, because it's going to make your clothes smell great. Okay, and I was like, okay, and I for the longest time thought it was soap. I thought it was the stuff that actually gets the clothes clean, but no, it's really just basically used get your clothes feeling and smelling really good. I know there's probably some people out there that don't think that's necessary, but you'd be surprised at how better you feel when your clothes feel good on you and they smell fresh. That fresh scent actually can change your mood. When you feel your clothes and especially hot, really hot and warm out of the dryer, and then you give it a nice smell, it just makes you feel comfortable, like all is right with the world. Yeah, maybe a little exaggerating there, but but it makes you actually feel good to wear clothes that is winter fresh, April Fresh to be exact. Very soft. This makes your clothes soft. I really like that. It gets in there and it lasts too. Like you'll take your clothes out of the dryer and you smell it, and it smells all great. And then you fold your clothes, and a lot of other fabric conditioners, you fold your clothes, put it away in the drawer, or hang them up, or put them away. And in a few days, if you haven't worn that item, you won't smell it anymore. It's like it was there and just kind of left. Downy doesn't do that. Downy really lingers in your clothes. Yeah, so it really does its job, and it will smell fresh for a long time. Now, it is possible to use too much. If you put too much in there, you will smell too good, meaning it will be just overbearing. You don't want to do that. You want to put in the right amount to just give you that nice, subtle scent of freshness. But I've had the experience where I actually put in too much because I thought I had a really huge load and I thought I needed to do that. When I took my clothes out of the machine, you could smell it. It was just overbearing and overwhelming. It was too much. I did not like it at all. So I ended up having to wash my clothes again to wash it out. So yeah, be sure to not overdo it. You don't need a whole lot, you know. So yeah, I really like Downy a lot. I will continue to use it. Okay, well, that's the Ultra Downy with April Fresh. Yeah, the 12 load size. All right, guys. I really, really hope you use this information, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.